By 2030, millions of jobs will look completely different. Some roles will disappear, some will shrink, and some will explode in demand. But here's the truth most people are missing. AI probably won't replace you, but someone using AI might. So instead of asking, which jobs are safe from AI, we should be asking a better question. What skills will still matter in 2030, no matter how advanced AI becomes? Let's break that down. When people talk about AI replacing jobs, they imagine robots taking over entire professions. But that's not how it usually works. Technology rarely deletes whole industries overnight. Instead, it replaces tasks. Think about accountants. AI can automate data entry. It can analyze spreadsheets. It can even flag anomalies. But it can't build client trust. It can't understand messy human situations. And it definitely can't replace judgment in complex decisions. The future of work isn't about job titles disappearing. It's about skill sets evolving. That's why focusing on AI-proof careers might be the wrong approach. We need to focus on AI-resilient skills. The first skill that survives AI: complex problem solving. AI is excellent at pattern recognition, but it struggles when problems are ambiguous, emotional, cross-disciplinary, or completely new. In 2030, the most valuable workers won't be the ones who follow instructions. They'll be the ones who define the problem in the first place. If you can look at chaos and say, here's what's actually happening, and here's what we should do, you become extremely hard to replace. This applies to business, healthcare, engineering, finance, even creative industries. AI gives answers, but humans decide which questions matter. Here's something interesting. As AI creates more content, communication becomes more valuable, not less. Because information becomes cheap, clarity becomes rare. In the future of work, people who can explain complex ideas simply. AI can generate reports, but it can't inspire people. It can simulate tone, but it doesn't build real relationships. Communication is one of the most future-proof skills for 2030, especially in leadership, sales, entrepreneurship, and management. If there's one skill that defines AI-proof careers, it's adaptability. The job you train for today might look different in 5 years. Software will change. Tools will change. Entire workflows will change. The workers who survive AI won't be the ones who resist change. They'll be the ones who update constantly. Think of it like this. In 2010, social media manager wasn't a major role. In 2020, it was everywhere. By 2030, roles we can't even imagine today will exist. Your real job security isn't your degree. It's your ability to learn faster than the market changes. AI has artificial intelligence, but humans have emotional intelligence, cultural awareness, ethical reasoning. In industries like healthcare, education, leadership, counseling, client-facing roles, human intelligence becomes more valuable as technology advances. The more automated the world becomes, the more people crave human connection. That's not a weakness. That's leverage. Here's the twist. The most powerful skill for 2030 might not be avoiding AI. It might be mastering it. The future belongs to people who know how to work with AI tools, not fight them. Writers using AI to research faster. Designers using AI to prototype ideas. Analysts using AI to process data instantly. AI is becoming a productivity multiplier, and the workers who treat it like a teammate, not a threat, will outperform everyone else. This is why AI literacy may become as important as digital literacy. So what should you actually do? Instead of chasing safe jobs, focus on stacking durable skills. Learn how to think critically. Practice clear communication. Develop emotional intelligence. Stay adaptable. And get comfortable using AI tools. Don't build your career around a single tool. Build it around transferable value. Because tools change, but value creation doesn't. Now let's be clear. No one can predict exactly what the 2030 job market will look like. These trends are based on how technology has historically reshaped work. This is educational content, not career or financial advice.